Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Artlist.io tutorial where we'll be showing you how to use Artlist.io. We have the link to Artlist in the description below so you can have an easy access at the end of this video. Now here on Artlist.io, you can actually start for free. So you can click on the Start Free Now button right here, or you can click on the Start Free button right here. So of course, before you do that, you could take a little browsing and see what Artlist.io can do, the different functions, its AI features, whether you're doing the AI voiceover, etc. But in order to see it for yourself, you can click on the Start Free Now, and then right here is where you get to create your account. Now you can create your account by putting in your name, your email, and your password. And remember that you don't need a credit card to start the process. If you don't want to do this, you can click on Continue with Google, where you can choose an existing Gmail address to log on to Artlist. So we're going to choose this option because it's much easier. So once we click on Continue with Google, choose the account will be on our Artlist dashboard. Great. And now we're here on Artlist. This is your dashboard, and you can see that it's mainly in two parts. You can see the main section and you have the left side panel. Of course, you have some actions to perform at the top bar in the central area, but we're going to be starting with the sidebar. Now here on the sidebar, we're currently on home, and this is where you'll be once you register for the first time. You can see some options such as AI image, AI video, and AI voiceover. However, if we look on the sidebar, you can see just after home, you can click on the AI video. Now with the AI video, you can see right here, it says transform your ideas into stunning visuals. So your imagination is actually your limitation. So right here, you can choose between two options, right? But you can see that it's currently selected as video. Now this means that you could choose under video, text to video, or image to video. It's currently on the image to video, and this actually means that if you add an image, you can turn that image to a video. So all you need to do is to click on the start frame, click on it, and then upload an image. This could be an image upload from your local drive or selected from your creations if you have any. So once you upload an image, you can now describe how you want this image to move. Now this is an image of a beachfront, so it's basically water, beach sand, and a mountain in the background, and then you have the sky. You can describe it to say turn from day to night, and then you have some preferences right here. You can click on this and you'll see the current model it's using, which is Kling 1.6, but you can also see some other options which are popular. This is up to you, and you could also choose the duration. Of course, with the free account, you have 5 seconds, and then you have just 10 seconds. And then you could choose between 720p and 1080, but also the 720 is for the free version. And here you can see our limits. We can generate 2 free images, and then you have the animate button. So once you have your description, you can go ahead and animate what you want. So that's how to use the video option, whether you're using image to video or text to video. Now, of course, if you don't have an image, you can click on text to video, and then you could go ahead and describe exactly what you want in your video. And remember, your imagination is actually your limitation with Artlist. And of course, if you toggle over to image, you can have text to image and image to image. Following the principles of uploading an image, in this case image to image, you'll be able to describe how you'd like it to be transformed. And then you can see some other contents that have been created by others, and if you click on my creations, you'll see exactly what you've been doing. So this serves as an inspiration and to show you exactly what Artlist can do with the AI image. As you can see, we actually clicked on AI video, but because we clicked on the image icon, it took us to AI image. So this is what the AI video is for and what the AI image is for. Basically, you can transform your ideas to video or to image. And then you have the AI voiceover. Now the AI voiceover helps you to create awesome voiceovers according to your preference. So here you're going to write in the text you'd like to have generated with a voice, select the language, then select the accent of the language, then you get to select the speed right here, and then you have your preferences such as your tone, optimistic, surprised, sad, angry, and scared. Now currently it's selected as best fit, and this simply means that Artlist will try to detect the tone of what you're writing, and then it's going to provide a voice generation from your text. However, if you don't want to leave it guessing, you could go ahead and choose an option, and then the effect option is left for you to select the type of effects you'd like to have. Currently it's selected to none, but you can go ahead and choose the different options, select the effect strength, and then click away and confirm what you're writing. Once you're done with this, you could go ahead and click on generate for free. Then again, you have your limitations, 3 voiceovers, and then you need to take note of this. And then you have the music. Now here with Artlist Music, you can search for different sounds, select the different genre, the mood, video theme, or instrument, and of course you could see the options right here. So you might be wondering what it might cost if you'd like to go above the limits for the AI video, AI image, or AI voiceover. As we mentioned, this is just 3 voiceovers. You can go over to pricing to find out more on the pricing. Now under the standard, you have just about $10, $9.99 for the music and SFX, and these are the features that come with it. And then you have the AI suite, and this is at $9.42. This is really a discount because the actual price is $15.99, and this comes with the features right here. And then of course you have the Artlist Max, and you could choose the Artlist Max and pay $39.99 usually, or you could pay at $31.99 if that's what you're seeing at the time you're watching this video and you're actually using your Artlist account. And these are the plan options and features that come with it. You can see that the Artlist Max has all the features, and if you'd like to have the full range of features, the Artlist Max is best for you. If we go back after making your subscription, you'll definitely have more options and more creative latitude for your art list. So of course, after all your generations, you can go ahead and download what you've created and use it in your creative process. So this is how to use Artlist, especially if you're trying to use it in your creative process. Don't forget to check out the link to Artlist in the description below for an easy access. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.